Hello there! Today we're going to be theming KDE Plasma 6 to look visually similar to Windows 7. We're going to be using this project by wackyideas. And once we're done, this is what it will look like. Pretty cool, right? Let's get started. Today I'm using EndeavourOS, which is an Arch-based distro. If you'd like me to make a tutorial for Debian-based distros like Kubuntu, leave a comment. Okay, the first thing to do is make sure we're on Plasma 6. We check this by going into System Settings, scrolling down and clicking About this system. Here, you can see we are on Plasma 6.1.4 and the X11 display server, both of which are recommended for this project. Let's go back to the Git repo and download it as a zip. Next, extract the zip file. I'm going to pull up the install guide along with the terminal, where I'll check for updates before I get started. Now let's install the prerequisite packages one by one. It's time to move some folders. Just read the instructions carefully and you'll be fine. Step 3 requires us to move a folder outside our home directory, so let's use the terminal and the sudo command to make sure we have elevated privileges. When running scripts, it's best practice to run them from the terminal so that if something goes wrong, you can see the output of the command. Just copy the address of where you're trying to go, then type cd space and use Ctrl-Shift-V to paste the address. Oops, I got an error. After some research, it looks like I'm missing the dialog package, so I install that and then give it another try. Okay, now let's import the color theme in System Settings. The other parts are not showing up, so I'll restart the computer. scripts you may need to mark as executable before you can run. Just type chmod plus x, then the path to the script. You can use the command cd followed by 2 dots to go up a folder. I didn't have a kwin folder yet, so I made one. Now we have some themed window borders. To get the transparent blur working, we need to restart kwin. You should be comfy with this by now. If you get confused, read over the guide again to make sure you didn't miss anything. Next, I'm going to extract the fonts and wallpapers from a Windows 7 image of my own. Alright, time to put some finishing touches on things. And there's the final result. It took some time to install, but I think it was worth it. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions for something else you'd like me to cover, let me know them. Thanks for watching.